Okuhloswe kakhulu uhulumeni ngalomthetho sivivinyo ubukhona bawo ukuze belekelele ukugunyazwa kwesamba semali engaphezulu kuka254 billion amarandi ozobhekana ngqo nesikweletu se-Eskom.
A demand that is impacted by bad policy decisions on race-based employment regulations. A demand that is impacted by regressions into the race classifications of the apartheid regime. A demand that is impacted by the inability of our government to provide electricity while still clinging onto a state monopoly on the generation of electricity.
I-DA ikhale kakhulu ngeinqumo ezenziwa uhulumeni ezichaze njengokuyizona ezigcina zinomthelela wezikweletu ezinkulu njengoba i-Eskom icwile kuzo nosekube nomthelela omubi wokucisha kogesi ezweni.
The Eskom debt relief bill will also ensure that Eskom will be able to fund further maintenance from its revenue streams to ensure that the plants are more reliable. Eskom, being a going concern, will reduce upward pressure on electricity tariffs as the formula for calculation takes into the revenue requirement the debt service cost in as much as the entity seeks regulatory relief from the municipal debt.
Iningi lamalungu e-I-NCOP avotele ukuphasisa umthetho sivivinyo ozolekelela i-Eskom eyinkingeni ebhekene nazo.
The results on the table are as follows: in favor 30, against 18, abstentions 0. The bill is therefore agreed to in terms of section 75 of the Constitution.
Njengoba lo mthetho sivivinywa i-Eskom debt relief bill sewuthola ukwesekwa i-NCOP sewuzokwedluliselwa kumengameli wezwe ukuze awucikice ngokugcwele ube ngosemthethweni.
Abambayayeka amaqembu ezombusazwe njengoba amabombe ebheke okhethweni likazwelonke ngonyaka ozayo. Unobhala jikelele ANC ufikile embalula uthi leli qembu elibusayo lifanele ukuqhubeka nokuba semandleni ukuze uma kubhekiswa imisebenzi yaleli yenzile eminyakeni emihlanu edlule.
Unobhala jikelele weqembu elibusayo kulelo ufikile embalula uthi imisebenzi yeqembu eliyenzile eminyakeni emihlanu edlule iyona ebaqinisa idolo njengoba kubhekwe okhethweni likazwelonke.
We're trusted by South Africans because of the manifesto we canvassed amongst our people, and that they gave us the mandate to govern. So it's not a question of touch and go. It's what have we done in the past 5 years to seek to renew, to ask our people to renew our mandate.
Uthuma leli qembu lingaphuma emandleni ngonyaka ozayo kuyobukeka sengathi umehluko ufike neqembu elizonqoba ukhetho.
I normally argue that if the ANC were to be out of power next year and somebody comes in, it will look like we're sleeping on the job and those who came in are doing the best, and yet they will be ripping off. I mean, they will be ripping the result of what we have actually done and what we are doing at the present.
Umbalulu uqinisekisile ukuthi leli qembu elibusayo seliyinqobile inkinga yenkohlakalo kulo.
In this particular instance, if you look at the party, the ANC have tightened its screws in terms of fighting corruption, in terms of its cadreship, in terms of government, strengthening of law enforcement in the fight against corruption. That has been seen, that has been done.
Unobhala jikelele we-ANC uphethe ngokuthi bayaqinisekisa njengeqembu ukuthi uma kunengqinamba ebhekene nezwe bayayithatha inyathelo. Silindo kuhle ngidi endabeni ze-SABC.
Ungqongqoshe wezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba uDokotela Naledi Pandor uthi isigameko sokunqatshelwa kwendize yayithwele ithimba labaqaphi bakaMengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa kanye nezintatheli zakuleli ukungena ePoland asibanga nomthelelo omubi phakathi kweNingizimu Afrika kanye nePoland.
uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa wemukele abangani bakudala. Ukunama kwakhe kutshengisa ukuthi uyathokoza ukubona labaholi anobudlelwano obudala nabo.
Hello, Prime Minister.
It's good to see you again.
Good to see you again. Really wonderful to have you here.
Fantastic.
Wonderful. I'm so delighted. Yes. We look forward. Thank you so much. How are you doing? Very well. It's really good to see you.
Good to see you.
It's wonderful to see you.
You're traveling a lot these days.
I'm traveling a lot these
Absolutely.
days.
Ungqongqoshe wezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba uthi uhambo likaMengameli nezinye izinhloko zombuso eRussia nase-Ukraine beliyondlalela izinkulumo ezizayo esikhathini esizayo.
I think it's important to always reiterate this is a peace mission, and until we get to a point where a negotiations process is underway, we won't really say that we've had success. But what the success is that there's an opening created and a clear willingness indicated for continued engagement with African leaders.
Uphinde waphawula ngesigameko sokuvinjwa kwendiza eyabe ithwele intatheli nabaqaphi bakaMengameli.
During the period in Warsaw, we had a meeting with the leadership of Poland, and it went exceptionally well, to the degree that the President has indicated a willingness to undertake an official visit to Poland. So at the level of government and DIRCO, of the President and DIRCO, everything went well.
INingizimu Afrika ekubheke ngabomvu ukuphawula kaRamaphosa ngalolu daba.